Hey, welcome back to Learning with the Mr. Raj Show. How's everybody doing today? Today, the topic of the day today is, you really like salmon. You really know it's good for you. It's got all these great nutrient benefits to it. It's got the omega 3s, fatty acids, all that stuff. But you just don't know how to cook it, or how to prepare for it. So today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of go through, and just because the science says this, that doesn't mean I'm gonna do any moves or anything. No, okay. That's for special occasions. Sometime you'll see me dancing and cooking at the same time, but not today. Let's go ahead and see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and air fry some salmon today. And what I did is I got some good fresh salmon fillets. I cut it up, okay, and then in this little diagonal pattern so that I can fit two. And this is my air fryer tray, okay. And then I just put a little bit of olive oil. I love olive oil, much better than canola oil and things like that for health, for me, for health purposes and stuff. And if you're saying, well, what's the special sauce? Nothing special. I just, I get something from the store like this magic salmon seasoning or something, and just add a little bit of blackened seasoning. Later on, I'll go ahead and get some, some fresh lemons, to top it off, and some other fresh things, and just go ahead and put that on there. So let's go ahead and let's see how this what we're gonna do here. So I seasoned it up, put a little bit of olive oil, and go ahead and if you get the air fryer, make sure you don't never throw away your little information kit here, because it gives you, on this page, I just know, okay, page 17, I come straight to it, and it tells you for whatever you're cooking, it's going to tell you how many, what the standard temperature is, anywhere from, 330 to 400, somewhere in that range for Fahrenheit. Okay, and then your air fry time. Okay, so I'll just kind of go through the list. You got a lot of vegetables, broccoli, green beans, blah, okay, you come down. Oh, look at that, fish fillet. Fresh, thawed, battered, okay? So it's pretty much, this is thawed, okay? It's not frozen. And I'm going to come right across here, and I'm going to say, okay, it says 350 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes, air fry time, and then I'm going to go ahead, and so I'll go ahead and let's kind of practice that right now. Doesn't that look delicious, folks? Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in here, okay? And you're probably saying, well, what level do you put it in or whatever? So I got that in there, and then this is going to catch everything here. This is the little pan right there. I put it in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and shut that, okay? And that's pretty much it. So it's seasoned up a little. I put a little bit of olive oil, to add a little bit of flavor and things, and let it cook a little bit better. And, I put the aluminum foil, and you can maybe cover the aluminum foil if you'd like. I might even do that after this, before I start. Or you could just keep it on there. And then the air fryer, go ahead and turn it on, power it up, and put down the recommendation that it said from the booklet. But once you start doing things and you feel like it needs more, then you can change. It's not a complete science, but it's just a recommendation. And after that, it should turn out really good. And add a couple of vegetables to your plate. So what I'm gonna do after that is go ahead and make some sweets. Okay, check this out. Sweet potatoes, for everything I'm learning, is that sweet potatoes has more health benefits than your typical Idaho. The baked potatoes, the Idaho potatoes. A lot of good health benefits from sweet potatoes. Usually when I think of something sweet, I say, well, how would that have more benefits than something that's not sweet? But yeah, sweet potatoes is one of the superfoods. A lot of good nutritional, high density nutrition in sweet potatoes. So look into it. Look into it for yourself. Okay. So I'll go ahead and eat the salmon now and prepare it, and maybe I'll post a picture of it after I'm done. Okay, everybody, have a good day and be healthy and be proud. Okay, it's your health. It's your health. Take care of your health.